You don't need luck to get rich. You don't need rich parents. You don't even need to work 80 hours a week. But you do need a system. If you are serious about building real wealth and escaping the 9 to 5 trap, this video is your blueprint. We are breaking down everything from income strategies to mindset shift, from how to grow your money to how to stop sabotaging it without even realizing. If you're ready to own your time, your choices, and your future, this one's for you. For those new here, I'm Muzaffar Teja, qualified accountant, investment banker, and your guide to cutting through the noise of finance. On this channel, we don't just talk about money, we talk about owning your life. Think personal finance systems, self-development frameworks, wealth building mindsets, and investment strategies that actually work. If that's your vibe, hit subscribe and ring the bell. We drop game-changing content every week. Most people say they want to be rich, but when you ask them what that actually means, they go blank. If you don't define your version of wealth, you will spend your life chasing someone else's. So here is the first step. What does financial independence look like for you? Is it quitting your job, buying your time back, living without debt, retiring your parents? The clearer your vision, the faster your strategy will come into focus. This isn't about setting vague goals like I want to make more money. It's about designing a life where money works for you, not the other way around. Take 10 minutes, write down what does your ideal day look like? How much money would you actually need to live that day? What are you doing today that moving you closer to it? Let's say you are earning £50,000 a year. Then you get promoted and now you are making £75,000. But somehow you still feel broke. Why? Because you increased your lifestyle the moment your income increased. Nicer car, a bigger flat, better restaurants, and more subscriptions. This is lifestyle inflation, and it's the number one reason high income earners stay poor. Here is the rule. Just because you can afford it doesn't mean you should buy it. The goal isn't to look rich, it's to stay rich. Simple systems can protect you. Automate your savings. Cap your lifestyle at 60 to 70% of income. Invest the rest consistently. It's not about sacrifice, it's about being intentional. There are only 3 types of income you need to build wealth. Number 1, earned income. This is your job or business. Most people stop here, and that's the problem. Number 2, invested income. This is your money working for you in stocks, real estate, or other assets. It grows through compounding, not hours worked. Number 3, creative income or scalable income. This comes from leveraging your skills, brand, or knowledge. It could be a digital product, an online course, affiliate income, a YouTube channel, a paid newsletter. When you build all 3, you become financially anti-fragile. If one stream dries up, the other keep flowing. Start small, but start now. You can't out-earn a broken belief system. Most people stay broke because they never question what they believe about money. What did you hear growing up? Money doesn't grow on trees. Rich people are greedy. We can't afford that. These are called money scripts, subconscious beliefs that shape how you spend, save, and invest. Here is what they lead to: self-sabotage, guilt around success, fear of taking financial risk, and undercharging for your work. Replace the script. Say instead, money is a tool. Wealth gives me choices. I can earn more by providing more value. Rewiring your mindset isn't fluffy work, it's foundational. Because mindset isn't just how you think about money, it's how you manage it. Working harder isn't the answer. Working smarter with the right system is. Every successful person has one thing in common. They systemize everything that matters. Automatic transfers to savings and investments, routines that protect focus and energy, boundaries that stop time wasting, decision frameworks that eliminate emotions from money. If you are doing everything manually, you are burning energy. Create systems that save your future self from chaos, because discipline gets you started, but systems keep you consistent. Money can build a relationship or break it, and a lot of people avoid this topic until it's too late. Here is what financially independent people do differently. Talk about money early in relationships. Align goals before merging accounts. Keep some level of personal financial autonomy. Schedule regular money dates to check in. Financial power doesn't mean control. It means clarity, safety, and respect. If you are in a partnership, the goal isn't to split the bill. It's to split the vision, talk, plan, protect. This might surprise you, but true wealth isn't about having more. It's about knowing you're enough. When you know how much is enough for your goals, your energy shifts from chasing to building. Enough doesn't mean settling. It means living with clarity, purpose, and peace. Define your enough number, then build your financial system to support that, not endless consumption. The fastest way to break free from the 9 to 5 trap is to stop living for someone else's version of success. Let's recap the SMART strategies for financial independence. Define your personal vision of wealth. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Build 3 streams of income: earned, invested, and scalable. Rewire your money beliefs. Systemize your financial life. Communicate clearly in relationships. Know you're enough and stick to it. You don't need to win the lottery. You don't need a finance degree. You need a system, a strategy, and a courage to stick with it. If this gives you clarity, drop a comment below. My wealth strategy starts now. And if you are ready to stop watching and start building, hit that subscribe button and join the movement. This is Muzaffar Teja reminding you wealth isn't just a number, it's a mindset. And financial freedom, that's not a dream, it's a system you build.